Today's property feature, I'd like to introduce to you a warehouse situated in Midrand next to the Allendale off-ramp. This property has 3,950 square meters of gross lettable area. Plenty of parking outside with 78 bays open and a further 28 bays covered, as well as 700 amps, 3-phase worth of power incoming to the property, which is obviously plenty of power for most requirements. With some clever workaround, one will be able to increase the warehouse considerably. Standing here right now, we're standing in the office space. This I see as a possible future warehouse to augment the current space. Key for any industrial property is access for trucks to unload and offload goods. Coming straight down from the main road, the trucks will be able to offload easily into the warehouse. There's also a separate warehouse which is on grade. This here can be used for parking or for additional storage. Next door to the lower warehouse is a large water holding tank and pumps for your fire protection measures. The current asking rental is 56 Rand per square meter. That covers your assessment rates as well as your operational costs. The landlord here would also be prepared to sell the property. Asking price is 20 million Rand for the entire property. Please do call me to take a look in person. Thank you very much.